Hi John, it's Marcy Hutton here. I spoke with you earlier in regards to shooting this video for you. And what I'm going to show you is 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You're probably asking yourself, why is she doing this and what's in it for her? The reason that I do this is, but when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't, or maybe they've had a bad experience in the past. So they're just shying away from it. I understand that. I have found by giving people an easy blueprint, though, to actually, of things that they can do to impact their business for free, has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, I don't have time to do that myself, so could you do it for me? So if by the end of the video you liked what you heard, you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that would help your business, then we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. Now the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. And these 3 things carry the most weight in helping to make your website more visible. So these 3 things you want to just go beat your competitors in these 3 areas, and eventually you will beat your competitors in visibility on the internet as well. And when I say content, what I'm referring to is what I see if that'll highlight. Anything that's highlighted is considered content here for the home page. Now, Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. I'm going to check out this image. Bathrooms limited, kitchen and bathroom remodeling, Vancouver. So at least it's better. A lot of people will just have gobbledygook. I'd like to see these if it would just stop being highlighted here. Hunter kitchens, white shaker cabinets. So that's kind of, at least you have your name in it, but you're looking for new customers, right? If people already know you and they're going to type in your name, well, they already know you. You've already earned their trust. So Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on a homepage because that enables them to know exactly what it is you do, all of the services that you offer, what area you're offering them in. See, when they come across a site, that's what they'll do is dive right in there and crawl the whole entire site to get all that information that then later, when somebody types something in the browser, they're going to be able to match up what they're looking for with the most relevant results. They want to keep people on their search engine. That's how they make money. So you can see that if they go around and they're doing all their, figuring out who does what out there, they've got one site in your market that's got a couple hundred words and another one that's got 1,500, they will see the one with 1,500 words of content as being the expert and therefore showing them up, rewarding them for that and showing them up higher in the search results. So that's something that's an opportunity that you absolutely have here. You'd want to name these pictures. Name one of them kitchen renovation, the other one bathroom renovation. Google's just reading it. They're not seeing it. So that's who you want to speak to as far as that type of information. Now the second thing that you can do to help to make your site more visible is get a whole pile of citations. And first of all, what a citation is it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. So any directory that you can, there's tons of free directories you come across like Yellow Pages and 411 and a Yelp listing and Foursquare, just tons of them. So when you beat your competitors on that area as well, that is going to help to push you up higher in the search for this middle section, your Google My Business section. Stats show that these 3 businesses that are appearing here really get the lion's share of the clicks from the first page. So it's definitely a place that you'd want to work towards being if you wanted to bring in more customers. So that's how you improve that one. And then down here, we call this the organic section. So this section, people aren't paying for clicks. It's just the work that they've done sort of behind the scenes and to do with the content that will get them into this section showing up on the first page of the search. So what I've done is I've put your site in a tool. It shows us what's going on behind the scenes. And I also took one of the ones, I think I grabbed this one, that was showing up. So not even the first guy, but this guy here to do a comparison. So first of all, what a backlink is it is a link from a third-party site on the internet linking back to your website, when you hover up just like this. And if I click there, it's going to take me there. So, you'll be looking at websites and you hover over and you can click and it'll take you over. That's what a backlink is. It's linked to the other site. So how that helps you, if you think of to explain it in simplest terms, if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, when other sites on the internet vote for yours, aka link to yours, then that in Google's eyes sees you as being the popular one. So therefore they push you higher up in the search because everybody's paying attention to you. So they're going to make you more visible online as well. So when I put your site into here, it shows me that you have 2 referring domains, like 2 other websites on the internet that are linking to yours, giving you 2 backlinks, that you're being found for 3 organic keywords. You can see how important that content is, but unfortunately you're probably a few pages deep into the search, so people aren't finding you organically. Maybe finding you with paid ads, but not organically. And then so that one that was listed in the 2nd position there, he has 152 other websites on the internet linking back to his, giving him about 800 backlinks, and he's being found for just about 500 organic keywords, and he's getting roughly 100 visitors to his site a month. So those are the 3 things that you could do. Get yourself some more content for that home page. List yourself whenever you come across a directory listing, free listing. Just go ahead and take the 5-10 minutes to fill out the information, put a little description of your business in there. It's all going to pay off. So I'm going to email this off to you, John, and I will follow up. I want to make sure that you do receive it and it didn't just end up in a junk folder somewhere. Happy to answer any questions if you have any. We'll talk to you soon.